Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can slice an image in Canva. So this slicing effect is available in Canva, and then you can apply this effect to any photo easily. So let me show you how you can do it. First, I'm going to move on to the second page. This is actually the same photo as before, but this is the before photo before I apply the slicing effect. Now, to apply the effect, you can click or select the image, and then you want to click edit. And after that, you want to navigate to the app section, scroll to the slice option. This is the name of the app that we are going to be using. If you are doing this for the first time, it may prompt you with a confirmation to open the app. So you have to click open. That basically means it will get access to your document, to your design in Canva. And after that, you will see these 4 presets. So there's chip, sliced, minced, and then torn. They are actually the same thing. If you actually pay close attention, they are the same thing, except the value of each parameter may be different. And of course, you can play around with these numbers if you want to get the one that you feel the best. But I'm gonna go with the torn option, and after that, you can click save. All right, now what's happening now is Canva, or this tool in particular, will create a copy of this photo, and then it will slice, or it will apply the slicing effect to the photo, and then it will upload the photo to your Canva account, and then it will display to your design, like this one. This photo happens to be really big, and that's why it's kind of blurry at the moment, but it's because it's still in the progress of loading the asset to my design. So just wait for a few more seconds and everything will be back to normal. Okay, this is the result, and one downside is we really cannot play around with these slices. We cannot move or horizontally, like we cannot put this section and then you want to move it to the left or to the right. That is just not possible. So this slicing app will do it randomly, and if that is not what you want, then there is one simple workaround, which is by using AI. So I'm going to click on the image again, and let's navigate to edit, and I'm going to visit the Magic Studio. So this is where we can see a lot of AI tools. The one that we are going to be using is called Magic Grab. Click on it, and Canva will try to figure out the content of the image, and it detects this face, although it's definitely not something that I want to select. Instead, I'm going to go with the brush method, and then I'm going to select this section of this image. So I have to do it carefully. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to be as close as possible to the line. And after that, I want to fill the empty area. And when you're done, you can click grab. Now just wait until the AI figure out the section of the image that you want to grab, or the one that you want to isolate from the rest. Okay, so we got this result. This is the image that has been isolated, and I can move it to the right or to the left, and this is giving me a freedom to adjust the slicing of the image. So previously it was kind of on the left, but now I put it on the right side. So that's how you can do it. That's how you can slice an image in Canva. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if that was the case, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you on the next video.